Hello, hello, hello. Join me as I unbox one of my latest books, which arrived from the US today by DHL. This is the first time I'm going to see a physical copy of this book. Been waiting for it for so long. Well, it didn't take long. The process was quite fast. Just within a week, it arrived. So, be the first to see, even as I am seeing this for the first time. Just look at what book it is. Woo! Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Such quality printing. This is the first time I'm seeing a physical copy of this book, Strongholds of the Mind. Strongholds of the Mind. Biblical Remedies for Addiction. It just arrived fresh from the USA. Wow. Such beauty. Such beauty. Get a copy and you'll be blessed you did. Amen. Amen.